Hello mga Virgo, ako ulit. Ako ulit. As in, ako ulit. Tingnan natin kung anong dapat mong malaman, Virgo. Anong dapat mong malaman. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Anong dapat malaman ni Virgo? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, Virgo. Para po sa mga makaka-resonate, alam niyo na po ang galawan. We'll see. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Sa energy po, wala po tayong gender, Virgo. So, bahala na po kayo mag-maneuver. The Full Card. Wow, Major Arcana. Magandang simula. Uy, Five of Swords. Ano na, tapos ka na sa drama, Virgo? The Queen of Pentacles. Okay, fine. Clarification, Page of Wands. Virgo, merong message dito. Good news, but we will see. Pero ang the Full Card, Virgo, taking a leap of faith. Kung hindi naman, bahala na. Kind of card. Okay. Basta, moving forward ka, wala kang pakialam kung ano pa man. Basta ano ka na lang, go with the flow. Hindi naman sa parang ganong energy. Kasi ang the Full Card is like back to zero. Kasi zero ang number niyan eh. What I mean is start from ground zero. Or maybe you're starting a new beginning here. Okay. Gusto mo ng restart, gusto mo ng preset, gusto mo ng reboot. Okay, so yan ang nakikita ko dito and bahala na kind of energy with the Full Card is being here. Kahit na mahulog na siya sa bangin, wala akong bake, basta meron akong dala. And it's a very positive card, Major Arcana. Okay, we'll see. Five of Swords, Virgo. Five of Swords is ending. Merong kasi ang Five of Swords para sa akin is drama, conflict, confrontation. Okay, but the two person there walk away na, surrender. Sige na, panalo ka na, tangin na, sorry lang, basta panalo ka na. Okay, yun ang nakikita ko dito, yung bagang explanation na hindi mo pwedeng ipagpamilit yung opinion mo kung taliwas ang opinion ng isa. So that's the thing there. Queen of Pentacles, hindi ko alam kung sino sa'yo yan, Virgo, or maybe ikaw yan, or maybe taong nasa palibot mo, but we will clarify. Meron kang Page of Wands there. This is message, confrontation, hindi confrontation, maybe, I don't know. Basta mayroong message dito, Page of Wands, and it's a good news. Okay. We'll see, Virgo. Clarify the Full Card. Clarify the full card for my Virgo, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Six of Pentacles, Virgo. The full card, again, really. Lakas ng ano mo dito, pre. Fighting spirit mo. Free spirited person. Maybe this is you. Pero giver ka pa rin at the same time. Okay. So, with the full card is being here, baka merong nakakapag-isip na dito na masyado ka nang mapagbigay or masyado ka nang malaya or whatsoever here. Okay. Malaya kang magbigay sa kung sinong gusto mo, malaya kang magbigay ng energy mo na kahit kanino. Malaya ka. It's up to you. Like, you know, what I mean, buhay mo yan. Yan ang the full card here. And the Six of Pentacles. Tell me more. Four of Swords. You are healing and contemplating moving forward, baby step. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa mo dito, Virgo, behind the scene. Pero ang dapat mong malaman is meron kang feeling na I can do what I want with the Bull Guard. Okay. Even though na hindi mo alam kung ano ang magiging outcome, but go for it ka pa rin. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. And at the same time, with the Six of Pentacles, ang Six of Pentacles ko kasi is a generous card. Four of Swords is healing card. Nasa healing process ka, pre. Hindi ko alam kung anong hinihil mo. Maybe physically, mentally, emotionally, pero you are healing on something here. Moving forward. At saka yung paghihil mo, it's gonna be a long term. Like, pag pag gumaling ka, magaling ka na talaga. Like, you know what I mean? Meron ka mang nararamdaman physically, emotionally, or what, or something. At saka full blast, fully spirited ka dito, the Bull Guard and the Bull Guard. Pag ang card po is nagdoble sa isang lapag, malakas po ang indication yan. Okay. New beginning din dito, Virgo. You are going to take a leap of faith on something here. New beginning. Gusto mo ng restart, reboot. Yun na nga sinasabi ko kanina. But at the same time, yung generosity mo is still there. Okay. Nag-give ka pa rin even though nasabihin natin ang the Full card is wala ganong may bibigay. Pero ano ka pa rin. Pinipilit mo pa rin pag kung timbang-timbangin with the scale card is being here. Hindi man natin sabihin sa financially, pero sa situation, okay, maybe giver ka ng time, giver ka ng pagmamahal, giver ka ng something, okay. Hindi naman masasabing finances lang, okay. So, yun nakikita ko dito, Virgo, sa first row, yun ang dapat mong malaman kung meron kang feeling na kailangan mong mag-take a leap of faith or tumalon sa kung take a risk. Virgo, go for it, even though nag-healing ka at the moment, nasa process ka ng healing, but meron kang urgency dito na mag-take a leap of faith or mag-restart or mag-reboot or magsimula kahit na saan, pero yung generosity mo is there. Okay. Even though mahirap man, but kasi with the Full Guard, parang naglaya siya, with the Full Guard, dala niya yung mga kung ano pa man, nakatingala siya, taas no over rin siya. Hindi niya alam kung anong paglalagyan niya, but go for it pa rin siya. And at the same time, meron siyang kasamang aso dito, Virgo. Aso represents loyalty, or maybe this is your spirit guides, Virgo. Okay. So, yun nakikita ko sa first row, Virgo. You are healing on something even though na nag-heal ka, na feel mahina man ang proseso or matagal man ang proseso ng pag-heal mo, but at least you're there. Nasa stage ka na ng healing process. So, nagpa-process ka na. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, but some of you, merong mga Virgos dito na piniperceive or ang paningin sa'yo ng ibang tao is kahit na meron kang pinagdadaanan or kahit na meron kang something, ano ka pa rin. Nandun pa rin yung gusto mong magbigay, pero para bagang hindi ko man sinabi sa financially, but yun na nga, Virgo. Okay, with the Five of Swords being here, Five of Swords, clarify the Five of Swords. Justice card, karma is a bitch. Okay, so, Justice card is being here, the World card, meron kang tinapos dito, Virgo. Okay, or surrender ka na, Emperor card, oh my God, boss energy. You are walking out like a boss, yan. Nag-walk out ka like a boss kind of thing. Seven of Cups, merong confused dito regarding sa boss energy na pinakita mo dito. Emperor card is a very arrogant card. Hindi naman arrogant. Mahangin, but ganun lang talagang energy niya. Ang energy ng Emperor is very controlling, nasa top of their game sila. Okay. Emperor sa commander. Okay. Respect. Number 1. Leadership, stability, structure, rules and power, authority. Okay. Focus, protection, control and discipline, practical. Yun ang mga meaning nito, pre. Ang the Emperor card. Maybe you walk away. Meron kang tinapos dito, Virgo. Okay. Hindi ka na lang nag-walk away ka na lang on something. Kasi yun nga sinabi ko kanina, kung ano man yung ni-insist ng opinion ng iba, tapos iba naman yung opinion ng iba, hindi mo talaga pwedeng mabago yun. So, ang ginawa mo dito is with the World card, ending it, and hindi ko alam kung meron ka mentality na justice will be served. This is a karma, cause and effect kind of thing. Okay. With the Seven of Cups is being here, someone is confused sa mga galawan mo, boss energy. And may confused dito. Bakit may confused? Two of Wands. May confused dito sa mga galawan mo. I think wala kang sinasabi, but you are moving somewhere or moving something here. Meron kang ginagawa behind the scene and people around you is confused. Okay. What you are doing behind the scene. Kung ano man ang mga plano, ano man ang mga decision mo, wala kang sinasabi. Emperor card is alam niya kung anong galawan niya, but in his mind, nasa isip niya lang. Sabi ko po sa energy, wala po tayong gender, Virgo. So, bahala na po kayo kung saan kayo lalapag dyan. Pero nag-walk away ka dito or may tinapos ka dito na wala silang idea. Wala silang idea kung anong galawan mo. Wala silang idea dito. But with the Justice card is being here, may tatamaan ng karma dito. Hindi ko alam yan, Virgo, kung sinong tatamaan ng karma dito. If you know you are on the right page, you are on the right path, then you are safe. But if you know na may nagrabyado or what or something, asahan mong may karmang kasunod yan. The World card is like ending and starting new beginning here. Okay. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Merong mga nag-iisip sa'yo dito na saan kaya to? Saan kaya? Saan kaya? Ano kaya? Yun ang nakikita ko dito, second row, Virgo. But definitely, meron kang in-end dito or someone merong nag-end sa'yo. Yun ang nakikita ko. Either way lang yan, vice versa. Queen of Pentacles, clarified the Queen of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. Oh my God, someone here is like with the Seven of Wands. Page of Cups. Oh my God, sorry, nagliliparan sila. And the Star card. Virgo, someone, kung sino man to para sa'yo, Virgo, ikaw man yan, or taong connected sa'yo, or taong nasa palibot mo, Virgo, with the Five of Pentacles, someone is feeling left out in the cold by you, or you left something behind, or maybe you feeling left out. But with the Seven of Wands is like you are fighting. Merong pinaglalaban dito yung feeling or yung feeling ng alone or yung feeling ng left behind or yung feeling na iniwan sa ere. Kind of thing, okay. Nilalabanan niya yung feeling niya na ganun, okay. Queen of Pentacles is a very stable card, Virgo. Yeah, it's a stable card but ang clarification niya is Five of Pentacles. So, hindi ko alam kung merong drain financially dito or naglalak ng finances or just maybe feeling left out. Okay? At saka nilalabanan niya yung sarili niya na hindi siya maka-feel nang naiwan siya sa area or naiwan siya and somewhere else. Okay? Yun ang nakikita ko dito. And the Page of Cups and the Star card, someone wants to offer healing, Virgo. Okay, gustong i-heal situation, hindi ko alam kung ikaw yan or someone. With the Temperance card, gustong i-balance things out ang situation, gustong i-neutralize ang sitwasyon, Virgo. Kasi kung sino man tong taong to, nilalabanan niya yung pagka-feeling alone niya or yung pagka-feeling left out niya. Okay, with the Page of Wands, meron tayo ditong message. Good news. Okay. So, nung nakikita ko, Virgo, with the Queen of Pentacles again, Virgo, merong specific na tao talaga dito, feeling iniwan sa ere or nang iwan sa ere. Okay. Kung sino man yan, Virgo, para sa'yo, gusto niyang ihilang situation dito, gusto mag-offer ng healing, pero smooth lang with the Temperance card, hindi masyadong obvious. But, yun na ang intention niya, na mag-deliver ng healing sa situation dito, Virgo, kung ano man ang labanan dito. Kasi merong Five of Pentacles and the Seven of Wands pinipigilan na lang yung feeling na iniwan sa air or yung feeling na feeling left out, feeling mag-isa or I don't know. But with the Queen of Pentacles is being here, magpo-pursue to kasi ang Queen of Pentacles is a stable kind of energy. But with the Five of Pentacles, meron nga siyang stability, meron nga siyang sabihin natin meron naman, hindi sinabing walang-wala. But with the Five of Pentacles, deep inside, feeling empty. Nilalabanan na lang yung feeling na empty na gano'n, okay? And someone wants to offer here an healing situation, sa sitwasyon, okay? Merong positive message dito, Virgo, regarding sa Queen of Pentacles, regarding sa dito siguro kung sino man yan. Kasi gusto nga niya mag-offer with the Page of Cups ng healing dito, pero smooth lang. Gusto niya maging smooth lang yung conversation or maging smooth lang ang magiging result to, okay? Ayaw niya magpa-obvious na feeling left out or feeling iwan sa ere, okay? So, tingnan natin, Virgo. Either way lang yan, Sa mga Virgo po na hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay. So, tingnan natin. What is the advice for my Virgo? Please, advice. Your hard work is paying off, Virgo. Kung ano man yung pinagtatrabaho mo, Virgo, kung ano man yung pinaghihirapan mo, it's gonna, andito na siya. Andito na. Your hard work is paying off. Ano, sa anumang bagay. Okay. Nothing will come into the situation and nothing is yet set in stone. So, hindi ko alam kung saan yan magre-resonate sa'yo, Virgo. Yung advice na yan is emotions are running high. So, bahala ka, Virgo, kung saan mo ilalagay yung nothing will come into the situation. Kung ano man ng isip-isip mo. Okay. Nothing is yet set in stone. Merong isang tao dito na doubtful, Virgo, na nagda-doubt sa situation or sa kung ano pa man. Emotions are running high. Kinakabahan, Virgo. Kinakabahan kasi hindi alam kung ano ang patutunguhan or ano ang sisimulan or ano ba talaga. Okay. But the good thing here is the hard work is paying off. Ano ba tong nothing will come into the situation? Work through your fears. Okay. So, kung ano man yung mga, ano ba yung nothing set it in stone? You are good enough. Virgo, kung nagda-doubt ka or someone is doubting about their character or about their personality or maybe this is you, either way nga, sinasabi ko sa'yo, Virgo. Okay. Walang mangyayari, pre, kung yun ang mag-i-stay sa mentality na ganun. Okay. Walang mangyayari talaga. Okay. Kung mag-i-stay sa mentality ng takot ka ka on something. Or maybe, are people around you. Baka may gustong magpa-advise sa'yo or meron kang ina-advisean. Virgo, okay. Nothing will come into the situation. Bakit? Kasi you need to work through your fears. Kasi baka takot ka or nega ka or someone is nega around you. Okay. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Nothing set yet in stone and you are good enough. Maybe someone is doubtful on themselves, Virgo, na hindi nila magagawa or hindi niya magagawa. Or maybe this is you. Hindi ko alam. Maybe, ang reading na to is maybe for you or people around you or someone connected towards you. Or, but hard work is paying off, Virgo. So, that's what I have for you, Virgo. Titingnan natin kung anong angel message number mo. Angel message number for my Virgo, please. Angel message number. Angel message number. You have two. You have two, Virgo. Two. You have 2, 3. Ay, meron kang, ano to? Joker. Be careful, Virgo. Okay, sa mga trickster. 2, 3, 4. Oh my God, sunod-sunod siya. So, 2, 3, 4, Virgo. I-google mo siya, angel message number. Baka makaresonate ka, Virgo. So, yeah. Yan lang po maihain ko sa inyo, Virgo. So, thank you for being here. Sana po nakaresonate kayo. Sa mga hindi po makaresonate, better luck next time po. So, yeah. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching. And bye for now.